Hello dear students, today we will discuss about important topic of hydrogen, hard and soft water. First we will discuss about the hard and soft water, what is means of hard and soft water. Then we will discuss about the hardness of water, and then we will discuss about the methods to remove hardness of water. So first we will discuss about the hard and soft hard and soft water. Hard and soft water. Dear student, I think you already know that water which form leather or foam with soap is known as a soft water, whereas water which form scum or water which does not form leather with soap is known as a hard water. Hard water is a type of water which form scum, a type of semi-solid substance when mixed with soap. It does not form leather with soap. So in this way, we can explain about the hard and soft water. Now, how can we explain hard water form scum with soap? For example, we know that soap is sodium salt of fatty acid. We know that soap is sodium salt of fatty acid. And we already know that fatty acids are higher carboxylic acid. Fatty acids are higher carboxylic acids. So if soap like sodium stearate is taken, if soap like sodium stearate is taken, formula is C17H35 COONA. C17H35 COONA. This one is sodium stearate. Sodium stearate. Sodium stearate. If this soap is taken, sodium stearate C17H35 COONA, it is sodium stearate, and C15H31 COONA is sodium palmitate. These are two important type of soap. So if this soap is taken, and we know that from water calcium or magnesium ions are present, because hardness of water is arise due to presence of bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium, chloride and sulfates of calcium and magnesium. That's why in water calcium or in hard water calcium or magnesium ions are present. So soup react with calcium and magnesium ion of hard water and form calcium or magnesium stearate. When soup react with calcium or magnesium ions from hard water, then it form calcium or magnesium stearate. So in this way it form C17H35 COO का whole twice C. This compound is calcium stearate. This compound is calcium stearate, a type of semi-solid substance. It is a calcium stearate, a type of semi-solid substance which is known as a scum. Which is known as scum. So in this way, hard water does not form leather with soap or foam with soap, because calcium or magnesium ion react with soap to form calcium or magnesium stearate, which is a type of scum. Which is a type of scum. So dear students, you should keep in mind in this way soap react with hard water and form scum. Now, second thing, how can we explain about the hardness of water? As I have already told to you, if bicarbonates of calcium, magnesium, chloride and sulfates of calcium and magnesium are present in water, then that water is known as a hard water. On the basis of the nature of chemical substance present in hard water, hardness of water is divided into two parts. One is the permanent hardness and second one is the temporary hardness. So hardness of water is divided into two parts, temporary and permanent hardness. So now we will discuss about the types of hardness. Hardness of hardness of hardness of water. We will discuss about hardness of water. Hardness of water is broadly divided into two parts. One is the temporary hardness and second one is the permanent hardness. It is broadly divided into two parts. One is the temporary hardness and second one is the permanent hardness. Permanent hardness. Temporary hardness of water arises due to presence of bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium. Temporary hardness of water arises due to presence of bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium. So if calcium bicarbonate CaHCO3 का whole twice and magnesium bicarbonate MgHCO3 का whole twice, if these compounds are present, calcium bicarbonate, magnesium bicarbonate, if these compounds are present, then such type of hardness are present is known as a temporary hardness. If chloride and sulfates of calcium and magnesium are present, then that is known as a permanent hardness. So if chlorides of calcium and magnesium means CaCl2, MgCl2, CaSO4 and MgSO4, calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, calcium sulfate, magnesium sulfate. If these compounds are present in, if these salts are present in water, then that is known as a permanent hardness. So this one is about the hardness of water. Now next thing we will discuss about the methods to remove temporary hardness and next methods to remove permanent hardness. First we will discuss about the methods to remove temporary hardness. Methods to remove temporary hardness. First we will discuss about methods to remove temporarily temporarily hardness. Methods to remove temporarily hardness. Temporarily hardness of water is removed by simple heating and by Clark method. Temporarily hardness of water is simply removed first by heating and second with reaction of lime water, that is known as a Clark method. So first method is by heating.